Welcome to Australia, a land of vast landscapes, ancient cultures, and vibrant cities. From the turquoise waters of the Great Barrier Reef to the red deserts of the Outback and the bustling streets of Sydney to the laid-back vibes of Byron Bay, Australia offers an unparalleled mix of adventure, relaxation, and wonder. Whether you're exploring its cosmopolitan cities, diving in crystal-clear waters, or discovering wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, Australia is a destination that will capture your heart. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to exploring this breathtaking country and uncover everything you need to make your trip unforgettable. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Australia has something for everyone. Let's explore all the essential details and top experiences you need to plan the trip of a lifetime. Essential information. Before you start packing your bags, let's cover some essential information to help you plan your trip to Australia. First, visas. Most travelers will need an Electronic Travel Authority, ETA, or a visitor visa, which allows short-term stays for tourism or business. Make sure to apply online before your trip. Next, let's talk about the best time to visit. Australia is a year-round destination, but seasons are opposite to the Northern Hemisphere. For summer beach trips, visit between December and February. If you prefer cooler weather and fewer crowds, consider visiting in spring, September to November, or autumn, March to May. For currency, Australia uses the Australian dollar, AUD. Credit cards are widely accepted in most places, but it's always a good idea to carry some cash for smaller businesses, especially in rural areas. When it comes to transportation, Australia is a huge country, so flying between cities is often the quickest option. However, if you're planning to explore a specific region in depth, renting a car or camper van is an excellent way to enjoy Australia's scenic road trips. Public transport in major cities like Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane is efficient, and the Opal Card and Myki Card make travelling on buses, trains and ferries convenient. Top destinations. Sydney, the iconic harbour city. First on our list is the vibrant city of Sydney, Australia's largest and most iconic destination. Known for its stunning harbour and world-famous landmarks, Sydney is a must-see for any visitor. Start your journey with a visit to the Sydney Opera House. This architectural masterpiece is not just a performance venue, but a symbol of Australia itself. Take a guided tour or catch a live performance to experience its grandeur from the inside. Just a stone's throw away is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, another Sydney icon. You can walk across the bridge or, for the more adventurous, take the bridge climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. After exploring the city centre, head to the world-famous Bondi Beach. Whether you're here to catch some waves, stroll along the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, or simply relax on the golden sands, Bondi is the perfect spot to soak in Sydney's laid-back beach culture. Don't forget to explore Sydney's vibrant food scene, from trendy cafes in Surrey Hills to fine dining with views of the harbour. Melbourne, Australia's cultural capital. Next, we travel south to Melbourne, often considered the cultural capital of Australia. This city is known for its artistic flair, incredible coffee, and a thriving food scene. Start by exploring the famous laneways of Melbourne, particularly Hosier Lane, where you'll find a constantly evolving display of street art. Each visit offers something new, as artists regularly add to the vibrant murals. Then head to Federation Square, a hub for the city's arts and culture. From here, you can visit the National Gallery of Victoria or catch an event at the ACMI, Australian Centre for the Moving Image. For a more relaxing experience, take a scenic boat cruise along the Yarra River or stroll through the beautiful Royal Botanic Gardens. If you're a sports enthusiast, don't miss the chance to visit the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, especially if you're visiting during the cricket or AFL seasons. The atmosphere here is electric. The Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder. One of Australia's crown jewels is the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located off the coast of Queensland, this natural wonder is teeming with life and offers unforgettable underwater experiences. Dive or snorkel in the reef's crystal clear waters to witness its vibrant coral gardens and diverse marine life, including sea turtles, manta rays, and over 1,500 species of fish. Whether you're an experienced diver or a beginner, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. For a bird's-eye view, take a scenic flight over the reef to fully appreciate its vast size and beauty. You can also hop on a boat tour from popular launch points like Cairns or Port Douglas. The Outback, the heart of Australia. Next, we journey to the heart of Australia, the Outback. Here, the landscape is rugged and remote, with red desert sands stretching as far as the eye can see. The most iconic landmark in the Outback is Uluru. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is not just a striking geological formation, but a site of great cultural significance to the indigenous Anangu people. Watching the colors of Uluru change at sunrise or sunset is a truly spiritual experience. You're in the region, don't miss Katachuta, also known as the Olgas, a group of massive rock domes just 30 kilometers from Uluru. Take a hike through the Valley of the Winds to experience the surreal beauty of this ancient landscape. For a truly unique experience, consider a sunset camel ride around Uluru or join an Aboriginal guided tour to learn about the ancient stories and traditions tied to the land. Gold Coast. Sun, surf, and thrills. Australia's Gold Coast is a destination that combines laid-back beach vibes with high-energy activities. It's a paradise for surfers, beachgoers, and thrill-seekers alike. The famous Surfers Paradise Beach is the perfect place to catch some waves, relax on the golden sands, or enjoy the lively atmosphere. With its high-rise skyline and endless entertainment options, Surfers Paradise is the beating heart of the Gold Coast. For families and adventure lovers, the Gold Coast is also home to some of Australia's best theme parks, including Dreamworld, Warner Brothers Movie World, and SeaWorld. Whether you're chasing adrenaline on a roller coaster or exploring marine life, there's fun for everyone. If you need a break from the beach, venture into the Gold Coast hinterland, where you can explore lush rainforests, waterfalls, and scenic hiking trails in places like Springbrook National Park and Lamington National Park. Tasmania, the wild frontier. Last but not least, we head to Tasmania, Australia's wild and untamed island state. With its dramatic landscapes, pristine wilderness, and rich history, Tasmania is a hidden gem that offers a completely different side of Australia. Start your journey at Cradle Mountain Lake St Clair National Park, home to the famous Overland Track, one of the world's great wilderness walks. Here, you'll find glacial lakes, alpine meadows, and wildlife like wombats and Tasmanian devils. Visit Tasmania's capital, Hobart, to explore its vibrant art scene, charming waterfront, and historic sites like Salamanca Place and the Cascades Female Factory, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Don't miss the Tasman Peninsula, home to the Port Arthur Historic Site and some of Australia's most dramatic coastal scenery, including towering sea cliffs and hidden caves. Cultural insights and tips. While visiting Australia, understanding and respecting the local culture will enhance your experience. Here are a few insights to keep in mind. Australia is home to one of the world's oldest living cultures, the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Their connection to the land is profound, and learning about their traditions and history is a meaningful part of your visit. Consider taking a guided tour led by an Aboriginal elder to hear stories passed down for generations. Aussies are known for their friendly and laid-back nature, and the Aussie barbecue is a cultural staple. Whether you're at the beach or in a national park, you'll find public BBQ grills that anyone can use, often for free. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors and mingle with locals. Aussies also take their coffee culture seriously. In cities like Melbourne and Sydney, you'll find some of the best coffee shops in the world. Don't be surprised if you hear the terms flat white or long black. Australia has its own coffee lingo. Must-try experiences. Let's talk about some must-try experiences that will make your trip to Australia truly special. First, diving or snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef is an experience like no other. Whether you're an experienced diver or a beginner, the reef's clear waters, colourful coral, and abundant marine life will take your breath away. For a unique Outback experience, consider a camel ride at sunset around Uluru. As the sun dips below the horizon, the desert landscape transforms into shades of red and orange, a sight you'll never forget. And of course, catching a wave at Bondi Beach or any of Australia's legendary surf spots is a must. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a complete beginner, Australia's surf culture is something everyone should experience. From the bustling cities to the tranquil outback, and from the vibrant reefs to the endless coastlines, Australia is a destination of contrasts and endless possibilities. Whether you're immersing yourself in Aboriginal culture, swimming with sea turtles, or simply relaxing on a beach, every moment here is an adventure waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to explore the land down under? Pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience a country unlike any other. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips, and let us know in the comments what you're most excited to see in Australia. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next adventure.